With every flood comes a flood of emotions. Every fire, a momentary spark of uncertainty and loss of control. And when it's your home, your business, or your belongings that become damaged, you don't just want things clean. You want your life back as well. And that's where SERVPRO comes in. A company with over 30 years of leadership in cleanup and restoration. A track record of results that have earned the trust of the entire insurance industry, countless homeowners, and in one unforgettable instance, even the Pentagon. We're a team of specialists highly trained in cleanup and care for both home and homeowner, quietly take to the streets every hour of every day, proving that wherever there's a house full of water or an office filled with smoke, there's also a van full of clean. Piloted by men and women devoted to turning back that tide of uncertainty and doing it not by working for the homeowner, but by working with them. No disaster is small when it's yours. And that what matters most isn't the storm, but the calm of reassurance created afterward. So that when the fire and waters finally do recede, so does all memory of the damage. SERVPRO. Fire and water cleanup and restoration, like it never even happened.